Hi, I'm Jim Hendricks with Boating Magazine. You know, trailer tongue jacks are a boon to trailer boaters, helping them hitch up, unhook, and store their trailers. But what happens when it comes time to replace that trailer tongue jack? Well, it's an easy do-it-yourself project. But if you don't feel comfortable with these kind of projects, seek out the help of a marine service shop. When purchasing replacement parts, make sure they carry a strong factory warranty. Sierra parts, for example, carry a limited lifetime customer satisfaction warranty. If a product fails to comply with the warranty, Sierra will repair or replace the product free of charge. Okay, you DIYers, let's get started. The first step is to make sure your new tongue jack is properly rated to support the tongue weight of the trailer. The easiest way is to buy one with the same rating as the original jack. Also, select one with the same extension height and mounting system as the original jack. Sierra offers two trailer tongue jacks, the Deluxe and the Deluxe Plus models. Both fit up to 3x5 inch tongues and feature corrosion-resistant construction, swing mounts, and heavy-duty wheels. Once you have your new jack, hitch up the trailer to your tow vehicle. If your old jack doesn't work, use a floor jack to elevate the tongue enough to hitch up the trailer. Make sure you chock those tires before doing so. This will support the trailer tongue while you remove the old jack and put on the new one. Mount the new jack in the same place as the old one to ensure clearance when using the swing mount. Securely tighten the hardware. Now you're ready to hitch up and go boating. For Boating Magazine, I'm Jim Hendricks.